Hello again. Well, I just caught a little bit of Megyn Kelly, and they're talking about the Supreme Court ruling. It was a 4-2 decision, and that's in regard to affirmative action not being of consideration for universities in Michigan. Well, someone needs to explain to me why the Supreme Court justices can't settle on something unanimously. You know, I've made mention of this a number of times. And I've said that there is no justice because justice is not blind. How is it that 4 justices rule that affirmative action should not be part of the Michigan university system and 2 justices rule in favor of it? It makes no sense. To me it doesn't. Does it to you? Well, a lot of other states are doing the same thing. They said that California has ruled in a similar manner, which is really amazing because California is so far left-wing freak liberal. Yeah, they showed the attorney that was for affirmative action remaining. I guess he was one of them that presented to the Supreme Court justices. What a joke, the justices. Anyway, and he is obviously upset that the 4 ruled against what he was trying to accomplish. And the argument that he was trying to present is, well, you know, if you're military, then you're going to be considered to get in front of the line, in essence is what he said. And if you're an alumni, you get in front of the line. And he said the only ones that are going to be deprived are the minorities, the blacks and Hispanics. Well, if the grades are where they need to be, then I don't think that becomes an issue. And just because of affirmative action being what it was, that's why we have the usurper playing president, because of affirmative action. And when all is said and done, the American people will realize that that's exactly how he got in to Harvard. How he got into Occidental as a foreign exchange student under affirmative action. But I don't want to go there. This wasn't about Barack Hussein Obama. What this was about is the Supreme Court ruling 4-2 against affirmative action being part of the Michigan university system. I'm inclined to agree. What I don't agree with is how could it be 4-2? It doesn't make any sense to me. Does it make any sense to you?